Hello, we are Mobiliary and we're on a mission to eliminate repeat procedures to treat biliary strictures. Imagine the following scenario. You go in for an operation to fix an issue with your GI tract, but your doctor makes a mistake. You start to experience abdominal pain, chills and fever, nausea, and jaundice. You are diagnosed with a biliary stricture, defined as an abnormal narrowing of the bile duct, and you now have to undergo stricture dilation, which requires you to go back to the hospital for up to 5 repeat procedures every 2 to 3 weeks. The treatment goes as follows. Interventional radiologists will insert a guide wire to get access to the biliary system through the liver. Over the guide wire, they will insert and inflate a balloon catheter to dilate the stricture. They'll then remove the balloon catheter and insert a small drainage catheter. 2 weeks later, as the body performs the healing process, the stricture closes around the drainage catheter, causing an occlusion to reform, as shown here. So once again, they will insert and inflate a balloon catheter to dilate the stricture, followed by a slightly larger drainage catheter. This process is repeated up to 5 times in a single patient. And the reason for this is because placing a large catheter initially can cause trauma to the liver and even more scarring and health complications. So clinicians have to start small and upsize gradually to give time for the liver and biliary tissue to adjust and also to decrease pain for patients.
These repeat procedures for biliary dilation cause significant burden for the patients and hospitals. Patients need to endure post-operational pain, repeat hospital visits, and an excessively long treatment timeline. With approximately 100,000 procedures per year at $5,000 per procedure, biliary strictures procedures cost the healthcare system $450 million per year. Additionally, hospitals lose OR time and incur increased workload and extra insurance costs. Thus, interventional radiologists need a method to dilate biliary strictures without subsequent scarring of surrounding organs like the liver or biliary tree in order to reduce repeat procedures. At Mobiliary, we've developed a solution that will address this need with the following attributes. It is easily removable, enables targeting of the balloon to a specific stricture site, can complete dilation in a single procedure, is adapted to different biliary tree morphologies, allows for long-term deployment, and enables visualization for clinicians during the procedure through fluoroscopic markers.
The current solutions include biliary stents, balloon catheters, and drainage catheters. Stents are used to keep the ducts open and are left inside the patient forever. Balloon catheters are for the initial dilation of strictures, after which they are taken out and a drainage catheter is inserted in its place. The drainage catheters are then left inside the patient for as long as 6 months, but with replacement to a larger diameter every 2 to 3 weeks. However, none of the current devices in the market meet all the user needs required to solve our problem, whereas our solution does. The requirements are removability and adjustability, the repetition of procedures, ease of placement, durability and compatibility, and visualization during procedure.
The total addressable market of approximately 900 million encompasses all biliary and ureteral strictures performed in the United States. Our serviceable addressable market of approximately 400 million focuses on biliary dilation procedures only of both malignant and iatrogenic causes. The serviceable obtainable market of 36 million targets those treated with percutaneous methods at large academic centers in mid-Atlantic states. Mobiliary's business model capitalizes on direct sales to hospitals and distributors. Our revenue stream is supplemented by potential royalties through licensing agreements with medical device companies.
So far, our team has made significant progress on our solution concept. We have created a minimal viable product and verified it through some preliminary testing. We have also filed a report of invention through Hopkins and are having discussions about licensing our product. Our next steps are to validate the device in the IR suite, go through customer discovery through iCourse, and apply to grants or BPCs. Thank you for listening. This is our team and our amazing clinical advisors and faculty mentor.